At Richmond Vona, we're often asked, what does it mean when you say that you're a modern personal injury law firm? That's honestly a really fair and great question. And what Keith and I mean is that we are always accessible and that we're extremely efficient. And the two of these things really go hand in hand. In terms of accessibility, let's say you're a potential client or something really bad has just happened to you and you're injured and you need an attorney. You can reach us 24/7 by a variety of different ways. You can go on our website and talk to a live member of our team right on your computer. We're always accessible and we'll always be available to you as soon as you need us. For instance, you could even go on our social media pages and reach out to us that way, and either Keith or myself will personally get back to you that same day. Now, once you become a client of Richmond Vona's, the communication is increased. When Keith and I meet with you, you immediately get our cell phone numbers, and you're encouraged to text us, to call us, to email us. Whatever form of communication you're most comfortable with, we want you communicating with us nonstop. We understand that the vast majority of our clients have never been through a personal injury case before. We hope that after we represent you, that's the only personal injury case you ever have to go through. But the fact of the matter is, when something's new, when something's foreign, it can be scary, it can be stressful. You're gonna have a lot of questions, and you should not feel that you cannot get a hold of your attorney or that your attorney feels burdened when you're calling him or her. That's why we always want our clients to understand you can contact us at any time, and we really want you to, because we want to stay in your lives. We want to understand how your injuries are affecting you and your family. And the only way we can do that and potentially even tell your story to a jury someday is if we're with you every step of the way and we're in touch with you the entire time. Now, when it comes to efficiency, what we're really talking about is how Richmond Vona embraces technology. All of our technology is cloud-based. And that might seem kind of scary. You might say, well, what do you mean? Information about me and documents in my case are up in the sky? Well, in reality, the cloud is extremely secure. It's used by a lot of the biggest hospitals in the country, and the more modern law firms are all using it. And the real big advantage, aside from security, is that we can access your case from anywhere in the world. We can run our law firm from anywhere in the world, regardless of what's going on around us. Even if we can't be physically present in our office, our firm continues to run smoothly and efficiently. A great example is our client management software. Right on my phone and on Keith's phone, we have a client management software where I'm sitting in front of you and you ask me a question. I can go right into your phone, pull up every document in your case, every photo from your case, every report. We have access at all times to your case, and we can even take photos or videos or documents that you text us and put them right into your client folder to make sure we never miss a beat and we never miss any aspect of your case. If you're sitting in front of your attorney and they're sitting there with a big old red weld or a big file full of paper falling everywhere and they got a yellow notepad and that's really all they're working off of, you may want to ask some questions about how efficient that firm is. In addition, with our cloud-based software, we can send you documents in real time and have them electronically signed. Now, New York courts have recognized that these are valid and legal forms of signatures. We can be in your living room on video chat, talking to you, going through the documents step by step with you so you have a full understanding of what it is that you're signing and why it's important that you sign it. You can then electronically sign it and it comes right back to us while I'm still on the video with you. And that's really, really important. We have eliminated the need to send things to you snail mail. You may say, well, John, what's the big deal? I mean, if you mail me something, I'll just mail it right back to you. Well, first and foremost, I know it's rare, but it eliminates the risk of anything getting lost in the mail. But more importantly, it saves a lot of time. So let's say I have to mail you something and it takes 1 or 2 days to get to you, maybe more, or maybe I send it on the weekend, it takes 4 or 5 days. You have to get it, you have to sign it, you have to mail it back to me. You may not think that's a lot of time, but over the course of a case, over the course of litigation, that really adds up. And what that does is it delays the time until we can get your case to a final resolution, relieve you of the stress associated with that case, and get you the compensation that you deserve. If you're in the market for a personal injury law firm because you've been injured due to the negligence of somebody else, we ask that you give us a shot. Let us come meet with you and show you how technology can not only increase our communication with one another, but ultimately get you the best possible result for you and your family.